Guys, watch this video.
Next question is from Danielle Putnam. What was your greatest investment?
My greatest investment recently was in AI. My portfolio in AI. I'm rich. No, I mean just richer than you know, like you think because this, I'm blessed, man. It's really working out. This is why I don't care about the $11 million.
And he spent it on you, Shreveport.
You know that person? That was 50 Cent, Curtis Jackson. 50 Cent, a musician, a movie producer of the popular show, The Power series. Now, he was just talking about how he has made so much wealth from his AI stock that he purchased, the AI stocks that he purchased. That brings me to this topic. Today's topic: artificial intelligence. AI is the new world order. AI will create the new world order. AI will lead the new world order. Why am I saying this? Calm down. I'm going to break it down, so stay with me, all right? If you noticed, or if you have noticed, everything is changing very quickly. Now, AI will replace so many jobs. In other words, people will lose their jobs as a result of AI. I'm not saying this to make you scared, so don't panic. This is IOCAN TV, number one place for mind shifting, number one place to get upgraded, number one place to get knowledge. All right. AI will also create opportunities. AI will create new jobs. AI will create new monies. That was 50 Cent. 50 Cent, the musician. 50 Cent, the producer. 50 Cent, now the AI investor that is telling the whole world how he has made a fortune from his AI stocks. What am I trying to say? I'm trying to say you need to be positioned. I made a video the other day. The life is about positioning. It is true. You need to be positioned for the new world order. How can you be positioned? How can you be ready to make the best of yourself? Information. Watch IOCAN TV. Subscribe on this channel. Stay glued. Wait for my updates because you need this update to position yourself for the new world order. You really need it. Aside from that, take action. It's not enough to watch my videos, but you've got to take action. I've been teaching about artificial intelligence. In fact, I have a short course on my YouTube channel, which is free. Free. I'm not asking you to pay for it. I've created it free because this is my way to give back to the people. Right? So I've created it free, but you have a role to play. You need to take action. The action is to watch and understand. If you have questions, add your comments. Because the truth is, AI by itself will not replace people. It is those that know how to use this AI that will replace those that are not using it. Those that don't want to watch IOCAN TV. That's the truth. So you can position yourself. You can do your research. Find out. You see that a lot of stocks that have to do with AI will boom. Now, this is not a financial advice. Always do your research. If anyone tells you anything, do your own research. I'm just sharing. Yeah. I'm not saying you should take this as a financial advice. Okay. Now, those stocks will eventually boom. Just like what 50 Cent said. Nobody paid 50 Cent to say what he said. In fact, he didn't mention any, as far as I know, he didn't mention any particular stocks. Maybe he did in a full video, but I did not hear it. Get yourself ready. Equip yourself with information. Research. And then start using these tools. Start, taking advantage of it. This way you find out that you'll be positioned for that new job. Because AI is going to create new jobs, new type of jobs. Now, those young people going to university, this is for you. Don't take a course that by the time you're done, after 4 years, AI will have completely replaced that job. No, take something that is going to help the world now and in the future. Okay, very important. Very, very important. Because the young people are the future leaders. So it's very important that, I share this information so that they do not waste their time in life. Very important. So AI is going to create the new world order. Are you positioned for this new world order? Drop your comments. Let me know what you think about this video. And if you like this video, I want you to do something for me. Share the link with your friends. Add your comments. Until then, I'm going to talk to you later. Ciao.